Welcome to our YouTube channel Visual Lambent. In today's video, we are showing the use of if condition. So here I am writing a program to calculate discount and display the grand total. So this program is done using Java and I am using BLUEJ environment for that. So first let me create a class and I'll name it as BIS this. Now let me remove this. First in the comment I will write what the program is about. The program is to calculate the discount and display the grand total. Okay. Now let's look at the criteria for this discount. So the criteria will be, first one is 10% discount, 10% discount if the total is greater than 1000 rupees. That is, if a customer buys products worthing more than 1000, then he gets 10% discount. The second criteria is 20% discount if the price exceeds 5000 rupees. That is, if the total is greater than 5000. It's in rupees. So now we know the criteria of the program. So let's begin our program. So even in today's video or today's program I am using scanner class. So I will import java.util, util is for scanner class, .a* and semicolon, and I'll name the class as discount. After this, as I'm using scanner class, I will type here scanner sc is equal to new scanner in the bracket system.in. Make sure S is capital and the terminator is required. After this, I will write function name main. Even in this program, I'll be using only one function, one main function. We can do this in multiple functions as well, but as this is a small program, so it is more convenient to use a single function. So I'll be using only one function, that is the main function. So I have named the function as main. You can do it in multiple functions as well, but as it is small, it is more convenient. After this, let's look at the variables which we need. I will take all the variables under double data type. This will be more convenient. So the variables required are item 1, item 2, item 3. These three variables are used to store the prices of 3 different products. I'll be taking only 3 products in this. So 3 products, 3 variables. After this, variable total to store the total of these 3 products, that is the total price. Then final variable will be discount to store the discount price. Okay, so we are ready with our variables. Now let's ask the user to enter the prices of his products. So here I'll write system.out.print. I'll not write print ln here, I'll write only print because I want the prices to be written right in front of the statement. So I'll write only print. So system.out.print price of item 1 is equal to then variable is equal to sc dot next double. As I have used double data type here, so we must write next double and the parenthesis open and close and terminator. We will copy these two statements as I will need this again and again. It is item 2, the variable becomes item 2. Then for the third product or item is item 3, variable is item 3 as well. So we are done taking the prices or the amount of each product. Now let's calculate the total. This total is equal to item 1 plus item 2 plus item 3. Now we are ready with the total as well. Now it's time for the discount or the main part of the program. Here our condition starts. If condition starts, before that I must make sure that I initialize the value of discount. That is, discount is equal to 0.0. As I am using it inside the if condition, so it must be initialized before itself. So if total is greater than or equal to 1000 and total is less than 5000. Here less than 5000 has to be mentioned because above 5000 there is a different criteria. So we must mention below 5000 in the first condition itself. So according to the criteria it is 10% discount. So discount is equal to total into 10%, which I can write it as 10 by 100, that is 0.10. Then else if means if first one is not the case, then this one will take place. If the first statement is not true, then the second statement will execute. So else if total is greater than or equal to 5000, then discount is equal to 20%, which I can write it as 20 by 100, that is 0.20. That is total into 0.20. So now even if the customer crosses 10,000 rupees, he still gets only 20% discount. According to the criteria, if he goes above 5,000 rupees, then he gets 20% discount and no more discount after that. So we are done with the conditions. Now let's move on to the displaying part. This system dot out dot println. Let me give the heading as bill. Let me copy this, as this much will be repeated. Yes. Let me give it an underline using these hyphens. First let's display the prices of 3 items. So item 1 item 1 next item 2 item 2 So we are done displaying the prices of each product. Now let's display the total. So total is the total, the discount, that is how much amount is being discounted. And finally the grand total. Grand total means the price that the customer has to pay, that is after deducting the discount from the total. After the person gets a discount, the total amount that the customer has to pay, that is being displayed here as a grand total. So grand total can be calculated as total minus the discount. This will give the grand total of the customer which he has to pay. So let's make this more beautiful by giving it proper spacing. Yes, so we are done with the program. Let's close for the main function, close for the class. So our program is ready. Let's make sure there are no errors in it. Let's compile for errors. So class is compiled, no syntax error. So let's run the program now. You might have noticed that I have named the class here as disk, but now it got changed to discount. This is because in the program I have named the class as discount, and the same name will be shown even here. It does not matter what you name the class here while creating a new class. You can type anything here. It does not matter. All that matters is what you write the class name in the program, that is here. This is what matters. So this will be the actual class name. Okay, so let's run the program now. I'll run this program 3 times to make sure that our condition is working properly. So let me run the program once. Yes, so first let's give the price of item 1 as 500, second one as 200, and the third one as 100. So you can see the bill is being shown here. Item 1 500, item 2 200, item 3 100. So the total is 800. Since it is below 1000, so there is no discount. So discount is 0. and the grand total remains 800. Now let me run this program again. So I'll give the first amount as 500, second as 1000, and third as 500. So the bill is shown again. Item 1 500, item 2 1000, item 3 500. So the total is 2000, which is in between 1000 and 5000. So the discount is 10%. So the discount is given as 200 rupees. So the grand total is 1800. 200 is being deducted from the total. And I'll run this program for the final time. This time I'll give the first price as 2000, second one as 3000, and third one as 1000. So this time the total is 6000 and the discount will be 20% as it is above 5000 rupees. So the discount is 20% of the total. So the discount is 1200 and the grand total will be 4800. So this program is running properly, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this. We will be posting more of such videos, so do like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to comment. See you next time.